Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. And today in the box, we have the first round of Broadway Limited Imports HO-scale EMD GP30. This is coming right on the heels of its Jeep35 release that was delivered in late 2023. You get an owner's manual. As you see, this is a generic for the Paragon 4 series with DCC and sound, as well as being compatible with their Rolling Thunder Super Bass system. The model comes in a cardboard box and in a clamshell is foam lined in its case. Looks like there's some additional supports there in the foam as I see it across the top. And then there's two supports on the side, one right behind the cab and one at the end of the long hood to help protect the model. This one's decorated for Rio Grande in the small flying, which means small, the speed letter Rio Grande on the long hood. These were built by EMD from 1961 to 1963, with about 950 total produced. Rio Grande owned 28, 3001 to 3028 was Rio Grande's collection, and they lasted a long time before they were retired. Foam protectors there around the handrails. You can see there's separate blades there for the fans, cab shade on the side, firecracker antenna. It is road accurate with the Rio Grande's light package. I do notice we've got a little bit of lube oil in excess there on the bottom that needs to be cleaned up. Always be careful when you're first opening a model, because the minute you touch that and then hit the side of the shell, you've got more of a cleanup job on your hands. This one looked very good. I saw no damage to it. The only thing I caught was a slight maybe bend or warp into the rear pilots on the long hood end, but I got to take a closer look. The model weighs 14.6 ounces, and performance-wise, it was similar to the GP35 as you would expect, with a pulling power of just under 3 ounces and a minimum speed of about 1.8. And that's what's in the box today.